if there's one subscription box that I get more excited about than any other one, it's big old box of stuff. Super excited because this is a mega BoBoS. I almost walked out of Rogue One in the theaters because I found out this was sitting at the house. I didn't. And parts of me wish I had and I hadn't, but we won't get into that when we won't talk about a review on Rogue One. That's for a whole other conversation. So it's some crazy month in 2017, and it is time for my very first mega big old box of stuff. Any of you that don't know what a BoBoS is, big old box of stuff, you go onto their website. It's a family-run company. Rob, Noelle, and their daughter Judy, and it's completely customizable. You fill out a questionnaire. The more detailed you get, the better off it is, and you get something that's completely customized for you. And they keep expanding. So they've had the regular BoBoS subscription out for a little while, which is a $39 box and includes your shipping and handling. This thing shows up when it shows up. You've got to fill it out by the 15th of the month for the following month. And they won't even start shipping until probably the month after. It is worth the wait. Any of you who have seen any of my reviews about big old box of stuff know that I always get super, super excited about this showing up. And I'll tell you, time and time again, worth the wait. If you don't have the patience, get something else. Keep your mind occupied. Go sign up for another cookie cutter subscription just to keep yourself busy. Go play chess, build a puzzle. I don't care what you do. Just get the subscription and just wait, because it will be worth it. So Rob and Team BoBoS have expanded again. So they came out with the Mega BoBoS, which will have more items, more expensive items, more exclusive items. And I was on their website today signing up for my February one, and guess what I see? Now they've got a comic book one, which looks amazing. It's like $100. You're gonna get 10 comic books each month for 10 months. So you're getting 100 comics. That's $1 a comic. That is fantastic. From DC and Marvel. You gotta pick out like your 5 favorite characters and decide which of the 2 you want. They give you the option to throw in some graphic novel books. Can't guarantee anything, but Rob does say that you're gonna get at least one autographed comic in the collection. I mean, you can't beat that. We're talking comics to go from 1960 until present. 100 of them. That's $1 a comic. You got to check it out, because I am planning on getting it for... But, back to this. Mega BoBoS, super excited. I missed, when he launched this, I missed it by that much. But I still got my regular BoBoS that month. So this is my first Mega BoBoS unboxing. I'm super excited. Rob left me a little note here. It says, warning, do not cut deep. Thanks, Rob. So, I can't wait. We're just going into this. I'm going to cut very gently. Ooh. Oh, the anticipation's killing me. Here we go. Ooh, I can feel the electricity coming off of the box. I gotta close it up. I know it's not fair to do that, but I'm just getting super excited here. So we're just gonna do this. We're gonna put it right here. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna go right here first, because I don't know what this is. I sort of do. Ooh. Oh. All right, I know what this is. This is super cool. This is going to be one of the Elite series from Star Wars. Oh. Very, very cool. The unmasked Kylo Ren. So now we've got the masked and the unmasked. Super, super cool. These Elite series are absolutely amazing, Rob. Thank you so much for your purchase of our Mega BoBoS. We do hope that you enjoy the items we specifically picked just for you. Team BoBoS. Okay, we're gonna go over here. This is amazing. Oh, wow. This is super, super cool. Rob knows what a huge fan I am of Star Wars, the classic stuff from Kenner. As you can see, my R2-D2 was the very first one that I got from Rob and Team BoBoS, and C-3PO, that was it. That was my first BoBoS. Those were the first things that pulled out. It was simply amazing. I was done, hooked, signed, sealed, delivered. I am a BoBoS subscriber for life because of that. And of course, we got Jabba the Hutt hanging out over here with the little guy. Yep, that's right. He's a crazy little guy. So, but this is super cool because we've got Hammerhead and Leia, Princess Leia. I know the card backs are rough, but I thought you'd get a kick out of them. Enjoy from BoBoS, which is absolutely true because this just takes me back. This is crazy. We're talking, you know, Star Wars, the original, the classic, New Hope, back at Rite Aid, back when these things cost like nothing, like $1.40, $2.99. I remember as a kid paying $2, $3 for a regular original Kenner's action figure. You know, I had to do chores around the house to get that. And now Empire Strikes Back, Leia Organa, God rest her soul, Carrie Fisher, you know, we miss her. This is super cool. I love it. I love the card backings. This is great. Rough or not, Rob, awesome. Thank you, that is really, really cool because that just brings me right back to my childhood. All right, there's still more goodness in here. Okay, there's like two crazy big things in here and I'm kind of like on the fence. I don't know which one to grab first. So, because they're both like huge things for me, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go here. Yes! Oh my gosh, I saw one of these. An advertisement for one of these. It's freaky deaky, but it is super, super cool. It is one of the Pinhead dolls. It's a little baby one. The Living Dead dolls, Pinhead. This is freaking awesome. Oh my gosh. It's freaky, man. It's got like that little freaking freaky eyes. Ah! Look at that. That is crazy. Because Rob knows what a Pinhead fanatic I am. I mean, go figure. Exclusive from Entertainment Earth. Living Dead dolls. Oh, this is super freaking awesome, Rob. This is so freaking cool. Oh my gosh. Pinhead, boy. This is great. So it's the Living Dead dolls, it's the Pinhead, and it's the Entertainment Earth exclusive. Oh, and there's a puzzle box in here. This is so freaking cool. Oh, that is great, Rob. That is super cool. Loving it. Oh, now this. See, and I kind of thought that's what it was. I couldn't tell because I saw the little merchant's puzzle box on the side, but, oh, okay, here we go. Oh, wow. Okay. We've got Alien 3, Dog Alien, model kit. Movie classics. It's 1/9 scale with a base. Oh, this is super cool. Wow. Thanks, Hugger, man. It gives the backstory on... Oh, this is super cool. Wow. This is just awesome. Nice. Oh, original packaging. With the base. Instructions look pretty easy. This is cool. Painting instructions. Overall paint. So it shows a finished version of this, the model. This is super cool. This is still sealed up in the bag. So never opened, hasn't been done. This is really, really cool. Some of the pieces have kind of popped out of the pegs, but that's okay. I mean, everything looks to be intact. This is an awesome model kit. Oh, I love this. This is really cool. Super, super cool. Wow. I can only just say, final thoughts on this, as always. Rob, Team BoBoS, Noel, Judy, home run. This is super cool. I've been digging these Elite series, which we picked up from the Kickstarter. I'll have a link below for that, where we got the Kickstarter rewards and we gotten 4 of the Elites. Really, really cool. They're Disney Store exclusives. Die cast, 6 inches or so tall. They're just amazing. Great level of detail. It's like the Black Series on steroids. They're just bigger. The classic Star Wars. Hammerhead and Princess Leia. That's great. With the cards, Rob, that's really, really cool, man. Of course, I'm a huge Alien fan. So this is awesome. I don't even know if I'm going to do this, though. I mean, it's just so cool to have it. I'm one of those collectors that sometimes I want to leave it packaged and other times I want it on display. You know what? I'll have to see. I've got to get it painted right to do this. There's a couple people I know that are amazing painters, and the Living Dead doll, that's just great. Super, super cool. Wow. So my first mega BoBoS unboxing. This is awesome. I'm just I'm taken back by everything. As always, Rob, you and your family did an amazing job. Much love, much appreciation. Link below. You folks need to go ahead and fill the questionnaire out. Get signed up. They're limiting the number of subscriptions a little bit to try to make sure that they make sure everybody gets special boxes like this that have this kind of an impact that really, really means something to you. Make sure you sign up early, sign up often. And on that note, we want to thank everybody for taking the time to watch. Please like, subscribe, comment below, and share with your friends. And as Kendra always says, until next time, stay weird.